Got a whole stretch of river up there for about a mile. It's rapids. I don't know if the camera can pick it up. It's good. That's a good little old place to go swimming, but it's rough. For two old fat parts. Good toss on that handline.
It's easier to toss it that way than it is.
Can you see my do-rag? Can't.
That looks good. Oh, huh?
Not as good when you wearing a panty on your head.
Oh,
yeah. He got a panty on his head. I don't know what movie that came off of, but I remember it. I might have to Google it or something. There's been all kind of critters coming down here drinking water. Some of them deer, some of them hog, and some of them got damn big 3 toes with claws on them. I don't know what kind of animal that is. Listen to that water. Wow. Ooh, I'm getting a bite there. See it, see it, see it. Gotta go, gotta go.